All right, family, you saw them. Let's go ahead and cut these off. All right, family, this is one of those situations. You grew it, know what you're gonna do with it. So, please, everybody that wants to participate, please comment in the comment section below and tell me what the heck I'm supposed to do with this. How am I supposed to cook this? Listen, I love eggplant. I love it when somebody else cooks it. But I think it's time for me to learn how to cook it myself. So, shout out to Gigi's Natural, because I've seen you cook it. Can anybody else throw me a good recipe down in the comment section? All right, because I love growing these. They're easy to grow, but I don't know how to cook them. So I'm leaving it up to you to teach me how to cook eggplant. Can you help me out? Please put it in the comment below. Let's give it a shot.